the study abroad process and how prospective students will know the details and what to do when they get admitted into a school. Hello everyone, this is Official Dorinda. In today's video, my guest and I will discuss the study abroad process and how prospective students will know the details and what to do when they get admitted into a school. So today I have with me Godfred. He will introduce himself and talk about his process with us. Godfred, you are welcome to the channel.
Thank you very much.
Godfred, can you introduce yourself to us?
Yeah, my name is Godfred. I'm a Master of Social Work student at Case Western Reserve University. My focus or my concentration is in community practice for social change, focusing on community organizing and community development.
All right, Godfred, thank you so much. Today we're here to discuss your process taking out the visa interview, because I do have a video on my channel where Godfred shared his visa interview, so we're not going back to that. But Godfred, tell us, where did you start your process from?
All right. The first thing with my application process, I first looked into the kind of interest that I wanted to focus on, or like what I want to do. So I first decided to go into social work field. So I have to first Google social work program in the United States, or universities that offer social work program in the US, and I did a high series of universities that offer social work. And I came across Case Western Reserve University with a free application. So with that free application, it gave me that momentum to apply, and then I just put in the application for Case Western Reserve. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So yes, you have to do your research, know the program that you want to do in the United States. Or there are so many other places that you can go for school. You can go to Canada, Germany, Australia, and any part of Europe. You can go for as an international student. You can go and enroll in any of their schools. So Godfred is saying, just do your research. Where did you start your research? Which website?
Just Google. I just Google like universities that offer social work program, and I got many schools. So just take your iPhone, or like any phone, take your phone, laptop, and then just Google here.
Yeah, right. So just go to Google and then search for the program and the place you want to do the program, and you will get a lot of options to apply to. Yes, Godfred. So after you research the school and the program you want, and you settled on a school, what was next?
Okay, so after coming across Case Western, and then knowing that Case offers the same program that I wanted to offer, I wanted to apply to, and then I reached out to the program director, and then introduced myself, and then my interest in the social work field, and then he also gave me a broad idea, and then some job opportunities like after graduating from this field. So he gave me some things that I have to do, what I need, some requirements. Although there are a series of requirements that are on the site, on their website. So I just went through that, and then decided to follow his advice, and then put in the application.
Okay, so you went to the school's website. What you would do as a prospective student is go to the school's website, go to the program of choice, check the requirement for application. There's always how to apply there, and you start your application. Yes, Godfred, so you started your application process, you sent your application to the school, and then what was next?
So even with the application, I have to find out whether the program, the program, I mean, the semester the program starts. Some starts in fall, some summer or spring. So the director told me that like this social work program, or this Case Western, they just offer it like only 4 semesters. So I just the 4, that's fine. So I put in the application, uploaded my all documents, and then waited for few weeks, and then later I received my admission letter from Case Western with a scholarship attached.
Wow, how did you feel when you got your Admission with scholarship.
In fact, I was excited because that was a free application, and then I've had free. I've had a scholarship too, so I was like kind of good. I mean, once I started, so I have to put in the effort to go through other process to reach out to get here. Yeah.
Okay, so before going to the next process, this channel is official Dorender. We do study abroad videos, visa interview tips and tricks, and overall life abroad. If you are new here, click on the subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, click on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. So yes, Godfrey, now you've gotten your admission letter, you are excited. What is the next step?
So the next step is like I have to show a proof of fund because though I have a scholarship, but they just want to find out if I can I'll be able to just take care of myself here, like other expenses and other stuff. So I have to show a proof of fund. So they needed me to upload a bank statement, and I gave the bank statement to the international office for them to issue an I-20 to me. So I did that, and then in a few weeks I received an I-20 from the university. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah guys, you have to submit a bank statement to the international office in the school to show proof of funds that you will be able to pay your tuition when you get here. So yes, Godfrey, they issued you an I-20.
Yeah.
How was the I-20 issued? How did you receive it? In what form did it come?
Yeah, so the international office has a different portal that you have to, as an international student, you have to create an account and then have your information up there. So the communication between you and the school like takes place within such portal. So that's different from the application site. So after I uploaded my bank statement through the portal, and then they also issued my 20 through the same site. They didn't email to me. I just downloaded from the portal that I had on the website. Yeah.
Okay, so it was on the website and you printed it out.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Sure.
Okay. All right, guys. So once the I-20 is ready, you will receive an email from ISS, from the school's student services, international student services to be precise, that your I-20 is ready. You then log into their website with your details. The school will give you an email address and you create your own password. You log in and then print it out. That will give you all the information about the program, the duration of the program, and the amount that you'll be paying for your tuition. Is that correct, Godfrey?
That's exactly.
Okay, so that is the I-20. That shows that you have received the document from the school for you to be able to proceed to the next step.
Yeah.
So all right, Godfrey, so after you received your I-20, now you know that okay, it's time.
Yeah.
I'm ready with this. I'm done with the school. Now I'm ready to get ready for the big deal.
Yeah, for the big process.
For the big process,
Yeah.
which is the visa interview. So after that, what did you do, Godfrey?
So receiving the I-20, I have to pay for my service fee, and before even I pay for the service fee, I have to generate a coupon to pay the service fee, and then start filling my DS-160 form and then pay for visa fee. But the DS-160 form is a lot because it's a document that's it's about my travel information on my I-20, and then information on my passport, and then the school, everything. So that's a big information that was required from the US Embassy. So I created this an account at the US Embassy site, and then started with the application process at the US Embassy website. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Once again, guys, Godfrey has already gotten his I-20. Now the next step is for him to fill the DS-160 and be able to schedule an interview at the consulate, that is the US Embassy. So yes, after you're filling your DS-160, you scheduled your appointment with the embassy.
Yes.
Now, for the DS-160, somebody is now asking, what is DS-160? How do you think somebody should go about filling it so that there are no mistakes and all that.
Yeah, the DS-160 is you are traveling document, so it has a lot of information that will require you to fill in. So you have to have time for yourself to fill in that form, to just rush in and then submit it within a week or within the 2. So just because you can submit it 3 days before your interview, so you don't need to just rush and then fill that forms. So it's about information on your traveling, like about your travel information.
DS-160 is a document where you fill your personal information, you fill basically your school and all the fund, everything that is on your I-20, you put it in the DS-160, and that is a document you will take to the visa interview. Or because even if you don't take it there, they do have all that information, and that is the questions that will be coming. Now, make sure you study your DS-160 and know exactly. Don't let somebody fill it for you. Know exactly. Even if somebody fills it for you, please take time to go through it and know all the information on it, because you can't be asked about something and because you didn't fill it yourself, you might not know, and that will prove that you are being dishonest in the visa interview. So make sure you know everything on your DS-160.
Yeah.
Right, Godfrey?
Oh, that's it. So because it's about yourself, so you have to know what you have put in. So in case they ask you when is your program starting and then that kind of, you should know the dates and everything. So you have to fill it yourself and then know information on your DS-160 form.
Okay. So yeah, Godfrey, I think that you were fortunate to get to that step. There are people who might not be able to pay for the service fee and pay for any other charges.
Okay.
Should somebody decide to defer the program, what is the process?
All right, in case you would like to defer maybe your program to the following semester or for the following year, I think the best way is to reach out to the university or the program director and then explain the challenges you're going through, why you want to defer, and then they defer your program for you. So in that sense, the following semester or the following academic year, you don't need to put in an application, but the school will just issue an admission letter to you again, and then you start from there.
Okay, that is great.
Yeah, that's it.
So yes, guys, this is official Dorinda once again. All we are saying is that if you plan on deferring your program, what you have to do is to reach out to the admissions office or the director of the program and let them know the challenges you are facing. Challenges could be financial challenges, health issues, maybe you are not feeling too good, you will not be able to make that trip, or any other challenges. Let them know and they will defer the program to the coming year so that you can be able to come into the country in the following year. Yes. Yeah, right. So Godfrey, what would be your advice for prospective students who are now doing their research and in that study abroad process? What would be your advice?
I think the best way is reaching out to the program director. If you know now, if you decided to apply to a specific program, just reach out to the program director, explain, just introduce yourself, why you want to, and then your interest in such program. And then the director also give you the broad idea about the program and then some prospects, work prospects that you'll be doing, you know, the kind of jobs are available for you to do. So with that, you're able to know what to do, the documents that you have to just gather before you can start with the application. And then maybe some students may also have diploma, they intend to maybe go for masters. Some are having the idea that like, oh, with the diploma I can do masters. Some schools do that. So if you think you have a diploma and you want to do masters, you can just reach out to the director. They will give you the go ahead. Because some from undergrad degree, you have a degree, you can still do make PhD program. So for diploma, if you have a diploma and you think you want to do masters, it's a good opportunity by reaching out to the director, and then the director will just, oh yeah, we do that, we can accept your offer, so just put in the application. So that's the best way, because ask questions and then you'll be answered, because there are things that you think, oh, this is not the way, but maybe reaching out may have a different idea or perspective on that.
Right, Godfrey, thank you so much. There is a video on my channel where Godfrey talked to us about his visa interview. Put in a comment if you are facing any challenges whilst doing your research to apply to a school in the United States. Reach out to us, reach out to any international student you know, and they will be able to help you out. when filling out your DS-160, please show it to somebody, let them proofread it for you so that you don't make any mistakes. The name is Official Dorenda. In today's video, we talked about the study abroad process and all the documents that you will need in order to be able to apply successfully and then book your visa appointment. The study abroad process and all the documents that you will need in order to be able to apply successfully and then book your visa appointment. So yes, the rest of the video on our visa interviews are on my channel, so don't forget to check it out. The name again is Official Dorenda. See you soon, guys. We have with us Godfrey. And Godfrey, thank you so much for joining us today.
Right. Welcome. Thank you very much for
You're welcome.
giving me the opportunity. All right,
you're welcome, Godfrey. So yes, see you guys soon. Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Watch this video is also posted on my channel. I will be posting a lot of these opportunities. You don't want to miss it. So see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye, guys.